Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on the application of CapCut. You will go to settings. In this page here, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about CapCut and you will enter here. This page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press that bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.